Actually, Zach Dave is not going to be here tonight. But the old hermit named Dave is going to be here tonight. And in fact, this is the very first place he started, going on 6 years ago. Scared to death. Never did this crap before. But mainly, the old hermit is an extreme liberal atheist writer, rhyme poet. And he takes news items and stuff like that and writes poetry about them. Let me give you an example here. I'm sure some of you know about this latest little thing where the Senate passed a bill saying that it's okay to just lock our ass up and throw the key away and don't even bother to do something as silly as a trial or anything like that, or any charges. So I wrote it, I call it Freedom's End. Will Americans accept prison without charges law, based on the fear of the 9/11/01 terror they all saw? Allow military to just pick up any American citizen? Hold them captive forever? Human rights end abrupt? They claim this law would make America safe. Yes, for top politicians, but not the young waif. After all, our founding fathers broke us from a king, told us we had human rights to change a bad thing. This new law will give our rulers supreme power to do what was done to Galileo, put truth in a tower. Don't let the war criminals keep telling Bible-type stories, like the Talmud Quran filled with hypothetical glories. That's Paul. And, of course, here's one called Fake War. Would Americans let their military bomb and kill humans in 2 countries, then run up a huge bill, without something big enough to set the people off? Big buildings blown up, American blood in the trough. Was it just luck some Muslim men came along? Proving little guy can't beat big guy is wrong. Did random acts of terror bring down the Western world? Nope, just made a ton of money, as scary stories unfurled. Needed no more blown-up buildings to keep up mass fear, just unquestioned media stories about the latest Muslim here. Americans said, please protect me, don't let me cry. Like belief in God, I accept any story from on high. And that's it. No thanks, they do to me what they did to JFK. Okay, well, apparently I just saw the light, so I just like to lighten things up a little bit here. I do write some light poetry, so just let me finish with this one. I call it Beauty on the Beach. Beauty on the beach can be beauty on the beach to see. Humans young and old in sun on sand, each enjoying life so grand. Foxy young girls, hunky young guys, mixed in with those who ate too many pies. Young lovers hold hands, think thoughts oh so tender. Old lovers hold hands and just try to remember. Beauty is, of course, in the eye of the beholder. A very good rule for those of us older. And that's it. Okay, and chances are Sacrilegious Dave will be back next Friday.